Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you WhatsApp food is SaaS WhatsApp ordering. This what's menu. So you can see dashboard, orders day, 13 days, then sales volume, number of restaurant, view, sales volume, total order. Then another function is restaurant. You can add restaurant, edit and delete also. Then finance, app, then restaurant app you can use, upload plugins and installer tools, theme, payment, subscriptions, so many options. Then settings, inside settings, landing page, pricing plan, page, then translator, all function you can customize, edit and delete facility. Then support, FAQ, web product docked, mobile app docked, ticket support, your profile, can customize, change password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.